Hey, to turn on or off the Do Not Disturb mode on the Huawei Nova Y61, first open the settings. Then you have to go for the sounds and vibration and tap on the Do Not Disturb mode. Right now, you can customize this feature by tapping first on the schedule. So we can set the repeat from the Sunday to Saturday. You can also set start time and end time. When you do this, you have to tap on this switcher and then click right here. You can also allow interruptions for calls or messages. So you can do this for everyone, contacts only, favorites only, or no one. And the same for the messages. Here you get also option to get the repeated calls. So when this option is enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will be not silenced. That's kind of useful when someone really needs to contact you. And here to turn down, just click on the switcher. To turn off, tap right here. And that's all. Bye!